Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2011 Ford Edge Limited, stock number Z8411XXA. 89,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Red candy metallic in color. The Edge is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera, along with the rear parking sensors, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. 60/40 split folding seat. Folds flat easily with a push of a button. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry, remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Memory settings for 2 drivers. Start. Large, easy to read gauges. With customizable dash on both sides. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large My Ford Touch infotainment system for navigation. Dual zone automatic climate control with heated front seats. Radio. It's also satellite radio capable.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owners. Under the hood, this Edge has a 3.5-liter V6, 285 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 26 on the highway, new brakes, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.